Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to draw Doraemon, the lovable robotic cat from the popular anime series. Let's get started. Start by drawing smaller circles for the pupils. Draw the eyes by 2 large circles. Draw a small circle between the eyes for Doraemon's nose. Below the nose, draw a wide, curved line for Doraemon's smiling mouth. Inside the mouth, draw a heart-shaped tongue. Draw circle lines to form Doraemon's face. Draw a large, round shape around the face to form Doraemon's head. Draw a collar around the neck. Center the collar, draw a small bell. Draw a curved line below the collar to indicate Doraemon's stomach. Draw a hand on the right side of Doraemon's body. Draw another hand on the left side of Doraemon's body. Draw the 2 legs below the stomach. Draw the feet at the bottom of the legs. Draw 3 pairs of small lines extending from the sides of Doraemon's face for his whiskers. And there you have it. You've successfully drawn Doraemon.
It's coloring time.
Red color. We are going to color the picture in fast mode. So you need to pause the video and color it. Brown color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Dark blue color. Gray color. Black color. You've successfully colored the Doraemon.
Thank you, friends. Bye bye.